Hello, welcome to this second lesson on Python. In this video, we are going to talk about variable. A variable is a container that can store information. Now, let me show you an example here. For example, I will define a variable name, then assign it a value, which is a string. And this one, for example, I'll say Kelvin. And now I'm going to print here and pass my variable, which is a name here. Now from here, just go to this play icon, try to run this program, and on the terminal, Kelvin is now printed. All right, let me show you another example. This time I'm going to define age as my variable, which is of type integer. I'll say 20. Then I'll print down here, and I'm going to pass age inside this parentheses, and I'll go to this terminal again and check the output, and down here you can check the age is already printed.